Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, a couple of quick checks. The brush didn't dry, that's good. The plier handles did. It's still just a little sticky down here at the bottom. There's a little drip hanging off the bottom of it. And that sand is making a really good grip on the pliers. I'm going to put some more stuff on there. Another coat should make the sand so it doesn't quite stick out so much, because I think that would be kind of rough. Well, I think if it had a color to it, it would be much, much better. This is just a short little clip. I just wanted to put one more layer on the plier handles. It might take 2 or 3 more, I don't know. The coating that I put on had dried except for the little drips on the bottom of the pliers where the coating was a little thicker. I think once it skins off, it stops drying as fast. So, put another coat on it. We'll look at it again tomorrow. It's right now about 5:30 at night, and we'll see it again tomorrow and see how it does. But I think it's working. When I picked up the pliers, I could grip the pliers, and the sand was a little too rough. But I think when I put more coats on it, the sand will get buried more and more so the sharp edges won't stick out. Right now it feels kind of like really low grit sandpaper. So we'll give it a shot. If If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. We're going to give the pliers another dip of paint and see what happens. Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. We're going to give the pliers another coat of deck coating. We're going to give the pliers another coat of truck bed coating to see how it does.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.